Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about carbuncles. So first, let's take a look at a few examples. Carbuncles form when one or more hair follicles get infected. They often occur on the back of the neck, shoulders, or thighs. Carbuncles fill with pus, growing larger and more painful until they rupture and drain. In rare but severe cases, people may feel unwell and experience fever and chills. Sometimes carbuncles drain and heal with self-care. Others require an incision and drainage by a doctor. Comment below, have you ever had a carbuncle? Tell us your story and read others below. I always thought carbuncle was a funny word until I found out what they actually are. Anyway, thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We have new medical content all the time. Hey folks, treat yourself and a friend or loved one to an activated carbon peel mask. M7 Amazon is offering 2 packs of masks for under 20 bucks. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blackheads from occurring. With multiple uses in each bottle, that's a lot of clean pores and smooth skin. See the link in the description below.
Hello, I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys about Rest More. Now, if you're like me and you have trouble falling asleep fast and staying asleep, then you should check out buyrestmore.com. It's all natural, veggie based, and it'll help you have a great night of sleep. And it also helps your mind relax so that you can fall asleep too. So everyone needs this in this medicine cabinet for just those nights where you just can't sleep.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.